Hello internet, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Hey, I just bought this 18-inch Ego battery powered chainsaw, and I've always been very leery about battery powered chainsaws, but I noticed there was a lot of really good reviews on this, so I just opened this up and I've charged it for an hour and a half, and I'm going to start cutting up slices on this what looks like a piece of oak. And the main thing I want to do is see how long this battery lasts and how well it cuts this stuff. So stay tuned. Let's see how far we get into this log. Has this nice brake feature here. You know you're locked here. I've filled up the oil and you tighten here, and let's see how well it works. Yeah, okay. This is definitely a piece of wet oak, so this should be fun. Okay, so that was probably about 10 minutes, and I started with 5 bars on here. I'm down to 2, and I was able to cut 16 slices pretty easily. Okay, so I was able to cut a total of 19 of these slices, and then that went red. So I've got to double check to see if this needs to be a double charge or something, but it cut through this wood pretty easily. These discs are roughly 15-16 inches in diameter, and it's fresh, wet oak. So I think it cut through there pretty easily. I'm in about 15 minutes on this first charge. So I thought I was going to get probably down to about here with this, probably another 19 discs. Maybe that's a little bit optimistic. So hey, am I impressed with the saw? Yeah, I am. I tell you the truth, the first thing that gave out, it wasn't the battery, it wasn't the blade, it was my back. For the amount of chainsawing I do, this is more than meet my needs. I have a steel quick start, and I think this is going to replace it. This is the 56 volt 18-inch version from Ego. Overall, I'm impressed with it. A year ago, I would never thought it would get through all these pieces in one shot, but it did a pretty good job. So yeah, I'm happy with this. So hey, thanks for tuning in today. This is a little bit unusual. I usually don't do chainsaw videos. This is my first one, but I did want to try this because there are times, especially in the winter time, when I want to do some chainsawing in my garage to make a bowl blank or something for the lathe. And yeah, this is definitely going to be part of my kit. I like the saw. I wish it lasted a little bit longer, but I mean, this is wet, fresh oak. This timber has only really been out here for about a month. I'm not sure who dropped this here, but this is out behind my house. My house is over there through the woods, and yeah, I'm going to come back later and pick these slices up and put these pieces in my burn pile. So hey, you guys know the drill. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. So until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Bye-bye.